Hello! So I'm gonna show you how I make this healthy vegetable sauce that pairs really well with white rice. If you wanna see how I make this, please watch the video to the end. Basically, you will need one large bunch of spring onions. So make sure your vegetables are properly washed to remove sand or debris. Then go ahead and chop up the spring onions into smaller pieces, just like this. When you're done, set that aside. You will also be needing some fresh spinach for this recipe. However, I'm using some fresh callaloo, but you can use kale, spinach, fluted pumpkin, or any other vegetable of your choice. You want to make sure you chop up the green vegetables into really tiny bits, as seen in the video. You can then set this aside once you're done. Now let's make the vegetable sauce right away. Heat about 1 cup of vegetable oil in a wide pan. Since you're gonna be using some mackerel, make sure to season your mackerel with salt, beef stock powder, cayenne pepper, curry powder, and then mix these to coat nicely. Add the fish to the hot oil and make sure to spread them out evenly. Fry the fish on one side for 4 minutes and then flip over to the next side and fry for another 4 minutes. When all the pieces are golden brown, you can drain them from the oil and set aside. After that, reduce some of the oil from the pan, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the oil. Go in with some chopped onions. Saute the onions for 2 minutes or until fragrant. Add in some grated ginger and minced garlic and saute this for a minute. Next, go in with your tomato and paprika mix. Give this a nice stir and make sure everything is properly combined. Go ahead and season with some dried thyme, curry powder, beef bouillon powder, salt, and ground crayfish. Don't forget to add some crayfish to this sauce. It really uplifts the sauce and takes it to another level. Mix the sauce nicely and make sure all the seasonings are well incorporated. If the sauce appears really thick, you can add in half cup of water. Now put a lid on and leave the sauce to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. After that, go in with your chopped spring onions and then add in the chopped callaloo. So I had about 2 bowls of the chopped callaloo and I'll be adding all of these to this sauce. It makes a lot of sense, right? When you're done adding all of these, do not stir it yet. Just put a lid on and let this simmer on low heat for 2 minutes. This will allow the vegetable to wilt nicely and then reduce by half. So this is the right time to stir the sauce. You can see it has reduced by half. Give this a nice stir and feel free to add a little bit more water if that is required. The sauce is well stirred. Now return the fried fish to it. Stir it well. Adjust for salt or pepper. You can adjust any other seasoning to your taste. Just cook this for a minute and you now have your healthy vegetable and fish sauce ready in no time. You can pair this vegetable sauce with some white rice like I did. Guys, this vegetable sauce is really versatile, it is healthy, and it's a good addition to many dishes. I hope you give this a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you're tuning in to this channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you again.